I started BOE Marine in 2002 as a place for customers to get a true value in boating equipment and installations.
I am the co-founder of BOE. It has been incredibly rewarding watching our baby grow from its humble beginnings to where we are today. Multiple locations, direct dealers for all the best brands, an incredibly talented team, and a leader in marine electronics nationwide.
I started at BOE packing boxes. I am now the COO, and I thrive on leading our dedicated staff in delivering the ultimate BOE experience to all customers near and far.
I envisioned an environment where employees could be the best version of themselves and enrich their career with our company. Now, 20 years later, those two sturdy pillars keep us as the leading brand in boat outfitting and marine electronics.
I am the service manager. I make sure all installations are scheduled to meet customer needs and are completed to the highest standard. Most importantly, I ensure customer satisfaction with all our work.
I am in charge of customer service. BOE provides me with all the tools to keep orders moving and our customers satisfied.
I'm the lead technician. I love that I can express my creativity in the ever-evolving world of the marine electronics industry.
We are.
We are.
We are.
We are
We are BOE.